Hello, and welcome to BBC English Online. I'm Tommy, your English teacher, and today we are going to talk about weekends and the present simple tense. If you ever feel nervous when someone asks you, "What do you do on the weekend?" don't worry. Today, we will fix that, slowly, clearly, step by step. So, take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin your English journey. Section 1. My Weekend. Conversation. Now, listen very carefully to this simple, slow weekend conversation. Two friends, Anna and Mark, are talking about their weekend routines. Conversation starts. Hi, Mark. It's Friday today. Do you have any weekend plans?
Hi, Anna. My weekends are usually the same. I wake up early on Saturdays because I go for a morning jog. After that, I have breakfast with my family. What about you?
That sounds nice. I usually sleep in on Saturdays because I feel tired after the week. Later, I clean my room and I do some laundry.
Oh, really? You clean on Saturdays? I clean my apartment on Sundays.
Yes, Saturdays are my cleaning days. In the afternoon, I often meet my friends. We usually have lunch together or we hang out in a cafe.
That sounds fun. I normally visit my parents on Sunday afternoon. We eat lunch together and we watch a movie.
Nice. Do you exercise on Sundays too?
Not really. I usually rest on Sundays. I read books or I listen to music.
Lovely. I also read on Sundays. In the evening, I plan my week and I prepare my work bag.
Wow, you're very organized. I just relax and I go to bed early.
Same here. A good night's sleep helps me prepare for Monday. Section 2. Breaking it down. Present simple. Why we use it. Now, let's break the conversation into small, clear pieces. We use the present simple tense to talk about habits, routines, regular activities. For example, I wake up early. I clean my room. We watch a movie. These things happen again and again every week. Simple rules. Listen slowly. I, you, we, they, plus base verb. I wake up. You read. They watch. He, she, plus verb plus s. She cleans. He visits. Soft, simple, easy. Section 3. Your turn. Speaking practice. Now it's your turn. Slowly, clearly, one phrase at a time. Listen carefully to Mark. I wake up early on the weekend.
I wake up early on the weekend.
I usually have breakfast in the morning.
I usually have breakfast in the morning.
In the afternoon, I clean my room.
In the afternoon, I clean my room.
On Sundays, I visit my parents.
On Sundays, I visit my parents.
In the evening, I read books.
In the evening, I read books.
Great! Now let's try longer sentences. Repeat after Mark and add your own words. On Saturdays, I usually go for a walk in the park.
On Saturdays, I usually go for a walk in the park.
Every weekend, I meet my friends for lunch.
Every weekend, I meet my friends for lunch.
My family and I often watch movies together.
My family and I often watch movies together.
On Sunday evening, I prepare my work bag for the week.
On Sunday evening, I prepare my work bag for the week.
Section 4. Your practice challenge. Now I will give you a few sentences. Your task is to repeat them exactly as Mark says. Listen carefully.
I wake up early on Saturdays.
She cleans her room on Saturday mornings.
She cleans her room on Saturday mornings.
They have lunch together every weekend.
They have lunch together every weekend.
He visits his parents on Sunday afternoons.
He visits his parents on Sunday afternoons.
I read books in the evening on Sundays.
I read books in the evening on Sundays.
Well done. Say each sentence slowly, clearly, and confidently. Section 5. Role play ideas. Now let's do a small role play. Pretend you are talking to a friend. Listen and repeat with Mark.
On Saturdays, I usually go jogging in the morning.
On Sundays, I often visit my grandparents.
On Sundays, I often visit my grandparents.
Every weekend, I spend time reading my favorite books.
Every weekend, I spend time reading my favorite books.
On Sunday evening, I plan my schedule for the next week.
On Sunday evening, I plan my schedule for the next week.
This simple practice makes your English stronger and your speaking clearer every time you use it. Section 6. Level up your English. Before we finish, let's talk about your next steps. If you want better English, you must practice a little every day. Here is your task. Write 3 sentences about your weekend using the present simple tense. I wake up late on Saturdays.
I wake up late on Saturdays.
I meet my cousins every weekend.
I meet my cousins every weekend.
I cook dinner for my family on Sundays.
I cook dinner for my family on Sundays.
Now it's your turn. Say your 3 sentences slowly, clearly, and confidently. Repeat after me. Then try to make your own sentences. Remember, small steps every day lead to big progress. Thank you for learning with me today. You did a wonderful job. You learned a real conversation, the present simple tense, common verbs, and how to talk about your own weekend. Remember, small practice, big progress. I'm Tommy, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful weekend.